So the last recipe for our presentation will be the rye flour bread. For this recipe we will use wheat flour, the Russian style rye mix, fresh yeast and water. The special thing for this recipe is that we have to use hot water. So for the mixing we put 1.5 kilo of wheat flour, 1.5 kilo of rye mix, 120 grams of fresh yeast and 1.5 liter of hot water. We are going to mix 3 minutes slow speed and 5 minutes high speed. So now we are after mixing, and before putting them in tins we will cut the dough and we will give a round shape. The dough weight is 500 grams. And now, after pre-shaping, we rest the dough for 15 minutes. And now it's time for proofing at 30 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. Now it's time for baking. We just put some flour as a topping on our breads and we will bake for 40 minutes at 240 degrees. This baking profile needs a lot of steam. So this is the result of the bread made with the Russian style rye mix.